Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after the turn off menu appears, then you have to hold down your finger on shutdown. Then it proposes you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. So as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power button, select restart, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.